Ready to make the 2022 theme truly reflect your brand? In this step-by-step tutorial, I'll show you how to fully customize your WordPress site from header to footer using the powerful full site editor. By the end, you'll have complete confidence in designing your site with blocks, no code needed, and no more limited theme customizer. Let's dive right in. First up, let's access the new site editor where all the magic happens. From your WordPress dashboard, head over to Appearance and then click on Editor. This opens up a sleek visual interface that's almost like a digital workbench. Here, every part of your website is a block you can move, style, or swap out. If you've only ever used the classic customizer, take a breath. This editor gives you way more control and you'll quickly get comfortable as you go. Now, let's focus on the header. Think of your header as the introduction to your site. It's the first thing visitors see and sets the entire tone. In the editor, simply click on the header area. You'll notice it's labeled as a template part, meaning if you update it here, it updates everywhere that header appears on your site. Start with the navigation block. Click on it and you'll find options to add, remove, or reorder menu items. It's as easy as dragging list items on your phone, and if you want a whole new menu, you can create one right here, so no more hunting through 6 different screens just to rename your About page. Next, let's get your branding in place. Click the site logo block to upload your own logo. WordPress will take care of making it responsive. Don't have a logo yet? You can always add one later. The placeholder shows you exactly how it will fit. Nearby, the site title block lets you change your site's name on the fly. Both of these are crucial for first impressions and for helping users know they're in the right place. For layout, click on the group or row block that wraps your header elements. Over on the right sidebar, you'll see settings for background color and alignment. Play with colors here until you get just the right vibe. Remember, your header sets the mood for the whole site, like the lights at the start of a theater show. Let's talk about global styles next. In the top right, look for the black and white circle and give it a click. This is the Styles panel, the command center for your site's fonts and colors. Adjusting the typography here means that, whether it's a blog post or a contact page, your text and headers use the font you choose, no more random mismatches. Under colors, when you pick a palette, every block using a theme color updates immediately. It's like changing the wardrobe for your whole site with one click. You can even set padding and content width globally, helping your content breathe and look polished everywhere. If you want to tweak how your individual blog posts look, click the WordPress logo in the corner and go to Templates, then choose Single Post. Here, just drag blocks like the post title, featured image, and post content to arrange your posts exactly how you want. If you've ever wished your blog's featured image sat above the title instead of below, now you can do that with zero fuss. Don't forget the list view, those 3 little lines up top, which gives you a bird's eye view of all the blocks on the page. The footer gets the same block-based treatment as the header. Just scroll to the bottom in the editor, it's another template part. Here you can swap out the default powered by WordPress text for your own copyright info. Add blocks like social icons, a search bar, or even a multi-column layout using the columns block. This is your home's foundation. Using these blocks makes sure it's not just functional but also professional. And finally, when you've finished customizing, just hit the Save button. WordPress will prompt you to confirm which templates and template parts you want to save. Make sure all boxes are checked to apply your beautiful new design site-wide. Don't worry if you need to make adjustments later, none of this is set in stone. Now you have a fully personalized 2022 theme top to bottom. If this tutorial helped you out, give the video a like and consider subscribing for more WordPress tips. And if you hit any snags or have questions about the site editor, drop a comment below. I read them all and I'm here to help. Thanks for watching and happy customizing.